Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for 29 July 2024. The Morse code for today is atomic. The first thing you do is to go to daily cipher here. Then you click on daily cipher. Get the first letter, which is A. And to get this A, you do one dot and one dash. Dot dash. Dash is usually you long press. To get dot, you just do one tap. Dash is long press, dot is one tap. For the T, you do just one dash. For the O, you do 3 dashes. For the M, you do dash, dash, that's 2 dashes. For the I, you do 2 dots, 1, 2. And for the C, which is the last letter, you do one dash, one dot, another dash and another dot. So you've cracked the code. That's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on bell notification so as to not miss out on other videos I'll be uploading. Ensure you take the prize. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.